Good morning to everyone. Today we will start our exercise 13.5. In 13.5, if you know only these two formula, what is volume of cuboid and what is volume of cube, if you know these two formula, you can solve all the question yourself. Volume, I am already explained you what is volume, okay? And what volume of the cuboid is length into breadth into height. Suppose our classroom is a cuboid, length multiply breadth into height. And volume of a cube mean a three-dimensional figure whose all three sides are equal. All three sides. So length, breadth and height all are equal. It means side same as it is. So length, breadth into height. But in a cube, length is also a, breadth is also a, cube is also a. So it means a into a square into a cube. So what is volume? A cube. So it means multiply 3 times of a side. And volume mean what is the capacity of this cube. Volume mean beta, always remember what is the capacity of the figure. Capacity mean suppose whenever we drink water, we take the water in a glass. In a glass or not? So it mean how much water we can hold in a glass. So it's volume. Volume means how much space occupied by this cuboid space. Suppose where I am rotating my hand, moving my hand, it is a volume. So volume is a space. Okay. Understand or not? Always remember it is surface area, outer area. But volume means inside. Okay. How much space? What is the how much water it can be hold. So capacity of the volume of the cuboid or volume of the cube mean what is the capacity of the cuboid and any figures. Okay, capacity it means how much water it can hold, how much milk it can hold. So it is volume. Okay, so in a glass where we will put the water in a glass, it is a volume. Okay, so we will remember this. The volume of cuboid LBH and volume of cube is this one. So next, the first is question number 1. So this one, if you have remember formula, you can do yourself. A matchbox measured. So matchbox is like this one. It is a matchbox, and matchbox is what is length is 4 meter, 4 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter breadth. 4 multiply, it means 4 is length, 2.5 is breadth, and it is height. So then we have to, what will be the volume of the packet? So first we will write length of matchbox. How much? 4 centimeter, same as it is. We will write breadth of the matchbox 2.5 centimeter. Next is height of matchbox. How much? 1.5 centimeter. So we have to find what will be the volume of a packet containing 12 such boxes. In a packet there are the 12 matchbox. So we have to find out what is the total volume of 12 of a matchbox packet. Okay, so it's like a cuboid. You always play with a cuboid or not, in which a cuboid very small cube is given. So it means we have to find what is the total volume of a 12 matchbox. So first we will find the volume of one matchbox and in last multiply by 12. Okay, so write volume of one matchbox. How much? LBH. LBH because it is a cuboid. So 4 multiply 2.5 into 1.5. So whatever it comes, it is centimeter cube. Area is always in centimeter square and the volume always in meter, centimeter, kilometer in cube. Why? Because length into breadth, centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. So 3 times. So centimeter cube. But we have to find the volume of a packet. So we have to find volume of such 12 matchbox, and whatever it is come, we will multiply it. Okay, and it is the volume of the 12 matchbox. So do yourself, multiply it yourself. It is very easy. Okay, so now question number 2. In question number 2, a cuboidal water tank. Cuboidal water tank. Yes, many times we saw tank is always like a cuboidal. Okay, cuboidal means cuboid. Okay, so like this one, it is a cuboid. It is a tank. Okay, for holding water. It is a cuboidal tank. Okay, a cuboidal tank is 6 meter long, 4 meter wide, and 4.5 meter deep. It is 5 meter. It is 4.5 meter deep. Okay, and so how many liter of water it can hold? So we have to find how much water it can hold. So water it can hold, it means it is a volume. Okay, always remember whenever in the question is examiner ask you find the capacity of the tank, find the how much water it can hold, it means we are using the volume. So we will write, so you can write I think yourself length of the, so we will write length of water tank, how much? 6 meters, same as it is breadth of the water tank, you will write yourself, and same as it is height is 4.5. so we have to find how much water it can hold. So first we will find volume, so write volume of water tank. So water tank volume L into B into H. So L into 6 into 5 into 4.5, remove decimal 10, 5 to the 2 3 the. So what is 45 into 3, 135 centimeter cube. 1 is centimeter cube. Okay, these are meter given. Okay, not centimeter, sorry, it is meter and meter cube. Now we have to find how much. It's mean it can hold 135 meter cube. No, because always how much water it can. Water is always in liter millimeter. So always one thing is remember, 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. So remember this formula, 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. So now it is how much volume? 135. So multiply by 1000 to write total capacity of water tank is how much? We know 1 meter total volume 135 and meter cube, 1 meter cube equal to 1000. So multiply by 1000. So it is 13530 liter. So how much water it can hold? 1,35,000 liter. It means if in your home, if a tank whose 6 meter length, 5 meter breadth and 4.5 meter is height, it's depth, so it can hold 1,35,000 liter. So it means how much water it is, how much water it can hold, it is called a volume. Okay, so do yourself this one. So next is question number, it was question number 2, now we will start question number 3. Okay, so remember this formula. Next is a cuboidal vessel. So a vessel is given cuboid. So in cuboidal it is given a cuboidal vessel 10 meter long, it is 10 meter, 8 meter wide, and how high must it made? So we have to find how much is height. Height was h. It be made to be hold 380 cubic meters of liquid. Meter. So always remember, whenever centimeter square given, meter square given, it means it's area. But whenever cubic given, because I already told 1 meter cube. So whenever cubic given, it means it is a volume. Okay, it is a volume. To write volume of, so first we will write length of cuboidal Length of cuboidal vessel. How much? 10 meter. Same as it is. Breadth. Breadth of cuboidal vessel 8 meter. We have to find let height. So if we want to find height, so let height of cuboidal vessel is h meter. Okay. But in the question is given. What is given? It can hold 380 meter cubic meter. So we can write volume of cuboidal vessel. How much? 380 cubic meter cube. Meter cube. It means it is volume given, and volume of cuboidal LBH. It means if it is volume, so we will use the volume formula. So L into B into H equal to 380. Yes, L we know how much? 10. Breadth is 8. H we want to find 380. So H equal to 380 divided by 10 into 8. So 0 cut by 0. Okay. So 5 cut. This one 38. 10 into 8. And now, and it is, volume is 380 cubic meter. Now, so 4, so 9 and 4. What is 9 by 4 meter? Breadth is 9 by 4 meter. Otherwise, you write in decimal. 4, 4 ja, 4, 7 ja, and 4, 5 ja meter. Okay, 4.75 meter is its height. Understand it? And you can either you will write, because multiplication on another side divide. You can cut directly also whenever in equal sign is given, because we know 10 another side become divide. So you can cut like this one, 0 cut by 0, because 10 is 8 is divide. Like this one also you can do. So it is your answer. So always remember, whenever its volume is given in the question, so we will put equal to its volume formula. Okay. Next is now question number 3. You have to do yourself. Now question number 5. Question number 3 you will do. Question number 4 do yourself. Very easy question, because we have to find the cost of digging. In question number 4, find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit. It is given length is 8, breadth is given 6, and height is given 3. We have to find the what is the total cost, and total cost is given 30 rupees per meter cube. It is given. So first we will find volume L into B into H, and what is the volume is come? Volume is come in meter cube. So we multiply by it 30. It is the total cost. We already do many questions like this one, so you will do yourself. Question number 5. The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liters of water. So write first capacity of water tank. How much? 50,000 liter. So it means if it is capacity of the tank, it is a tank. It is the capacity is 50,000. It means its volume is it can hold 50,000 liter of water. Then we have to find the breadth of the tank if the length and depth are given. So write length of water tank is 10 meter. Okay, no, 2.5 meter. And what we have to find? Depth. We have to find the breadth, and depth is given. Depth means height. Depth of the water tank is 10 meter. We have to find, right? Let breadth of water tank is breadth is B. So we have to find its breadth B. So always one thing is remember, because they are, it is given volume. Okay, so volume is given. So write capacity. Yeah, you can write the volume of water tank 50,000 liter, but length, breadth and height is given in meter, and whenever we multiply length into breadth into height, always answer come in meter cube or centimeter cube, but volume already given in liter, so we will change it volume in meter cube. How will we find? Because 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter, so how will we change in meter cube? So it's mean 1 liter equal to 1 by 1000, 1000 another side, divide 1 by 1000 meter cube. So it is 1 liter equal to this one, and 50,000 is divided by 1000. So it's mean, because we know 1 meter cube is 1000 liter. So in 1 liter, 1 divided by 1000 liter. So it means 0, 3 0 cut by 0. So what is meter cube? So what is the volume of the water tank? 50 meter cube. That means L into B into H, 50 meter cube. Length is 2.5, 10 into B and 50. Yes. Everyone know 10 is another side, divide. So 0 cancel by 0. Now so B equal to, and now here also you can remove decimal. So here is, so 2.5 divided by 10 into B equal to 5. So B equal to 5 multiply 10 divided by 25. So 5, 5 is 5, 2. So what is breadth? Breadth is 2 meter. So always write whenever volume is given in liter or milliliter, first we will change in centimeter cube or a meter cube. Okay, and then we will solve it. Okay, now next question. Next is question number 6. I think you can do yourself. Okay. Yes, question number 6, do yourself. A village having, in question number 6, a village population is given. A village having a population. How much total population of village? 4,000, and requires every day 150 liter per day. Per day, per head. Per head. It's mean every man or every head, yeah, per head is need 150 liter per day. So it means total consumed of water per day. One per head is need 150, but total head is how much? 4,000. So multiply by 4,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 60,000 liter. So this water need every day. So it's mean, and this water every day is need, but it has a tank. A tank is given. So tank mean 20 into 15 into 6. So it means it is a length, breadth and a height. It is its volume. It is a volume. For how many days will the water of this tank last? So we have to find it. We will find total volume of this one. Okay, and we will find total volume. It is in meter cube. So we will change in liter, and you know every day, suppose every day you are using 6 liter water, suppose, okay, 6 liter, and you have 18 liter water. So it is for how many days it will use? It is 18 divided by 6. So it is for 3 days. So same as it is, we will find this one. So it is come 180 into 0. So like this one will come 180 into this will come. Okay. And now multiply. So total volume it is come and divide by this one. So answer will become 3 days. So find yourself this one. Okay. Only hint was given by me. So not your. Next is question number 7. Question number 7. A go down measure 40 meter, 25 meter, 10 meter. So we write length of go down 40 meter. breadth of go down 40. Question number 7. 40 into 25. So 25 meter. Now height of go down is 10 meter. देखो, it is a go down given. It is a go down. Okay, it is a big go down is given like this one. Okay, and now tell me, find the maximum number of wooden carrot. Wooden carrot each measuring 1.5, 1.25 meter, 0.5 meter that can be stored in the go down. Suppose like this one. It is our classroom, and in classroom, in this space, in its volume, we are using benches or not. Okay. So first we will find. So if I ask you how many benches we can put in our classroom, so how will you find? First we will find the volume of the room, and then we will find the volume of one bench. Suppose volume of room total is 100 and volume of one bench is 10. So how many benches you can put in a room? So total volume of room divide by volume of one bench. So total 10 bench we can put like this one. So it is same as it is like this one. Every know, whenever you play a game with a cube of small is a cube, and you will arrange in a order. Okay, small cube is given like this one or not? It is a cube like this one. It is a cube, and a small cube like this one is given inside. So it is meaning it is how many small cube in a big cube. So we have to find. So how will you find? First we will find the total volume of a go down. So write volume of go down. So volume of go down L into B into H. How much? It is 40 into 25 into 10. How much? It is come 40 into 20, 25 into 10. So 40 into 10, 400. 400, 20. It is, the answer will come 250 multiplied by 40, 20, and so it is 10,000 meter cube. It is volume of go down. But in this go down, we want to put carrot inside. So in the question, he is asking how many carrot we can put. But in the question, the size of one carrot is given. So right, length of carrot. Length of carrot is 1.5 meter. Breadth of carrot and height of carrot. What is? Height of carrot is 1.25 meter and it is 0.5 meter. So how many carrot we can find? So first we will find what is the volume of a one carrot. Like this one you can find or not? Yes, so I am now on this one. To write volume of one carrot. One carrot is LBH. L into B into H. So it is, so we can find, so equal to L 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. You can remove decimal. 10, 100. Yes, it is 5 into 10. Now you can come. So 5, either you will multiply, okay, otherwise you can multiply direct, otherwise you can remove decimal also. So 5 3 ja 5, 2 ja 5, 5 5 4 5 1 ja 5, 2 ja. So what is come? It is become 3 into 5 15, 2 into 4 8. So 15 divided by 16 meter cube. What is the measuring of one carrot is 15 by 16. Okay. Otherwise you can multiply this one all and divide by like this one. You can do. You can write like this one also. So write 1.5 meter. What is its length? 1.5 multiply 1.25 multiply 0.5 meter, like this one. So we will multiply it direct. So remove decimal, 10, 100 and divide by and 10. Okay. So you can multiply what is 5, 15 into 5, 75, 15 into 30, 15 into 1, 15, 8 into 5, divide by how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4 0, and it is 5. 5 into 5, 25, 7 into 5, 70, 37, 8 into 5, 40, 40 plus 3, 43, 5 into, so 9, divide by 4, 0. So it is become 0.9375 meter cube. You can write like, but we have to find. So write, let number of carat is n, and everyone know it is a room. Okay, it is a small room, and you want to put here carat, this one, this one, this one, and this room is filled. It means total volume of the room equal to the volume of the whole carat. Okay, to write n multiply. So total volume of the whole carat, how will you find? How will you find? You can find, right? So meter cube. How will you find total volume of the whole carat? Tell me. How will you find volume of the 1 carat multiply how many total? N. So n into volume of 1 carat equal to volume of go down. Volume of go down. Now I am writing here. Okay. So look at here. So n multiply 9375 divided by 40. How much? 40, 10,000 equal to 10 volume of the go down 10,000. It is very simple. All the carat put in a room, okay, and our room is filled. It means volume of go down equal to the volume of all carat. So volume of all carat equal to volume of go down, because carat are putting in go down. Okay, so write n. So 10,000. So this one. One second. So it is, answer is come, I think 9375 answer. So you can find yourself now. This one. $16,000 will come. Now what you will do? Any 40, 25 and 10. 40, 400, and this one 10,000. And measuring any meters, meter. Find the maximum number of wooden array carat. 1.5 to 1. This one. So 15 into 1.25. 2, 3, 4. So now multiply it one time. 5 ja. 15 into 5, 75. 15 into 5 ja. 5, 25, 5. 7 into 5, 35. Yes. 37. 8 into 5, 3, 5, 9. Yes, it's okay. So volume of this one you can cut. So now 10,000 multiply by 10,000 and divide by 9375. So we will cut by 25. 25 40. 25 3 ja. 25. How much remain? 27 and now 5. Again by 25. It is 16. 25. 25 1 ja. 25. 21 and 20. It is 15. 16 divided by 15. Now you can cut 15. 15 maximum number. So it is now 5 3 5 2 0 0 0. Now how much? So you will try it, okay? Answer will come 16,000 total number of carat. Understand it? So try, this exercise is finished. Question number 8 and 9 also you will try yourself. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.